Here is an illustration of how yarns are formed into loops on a sock knitting machine. If the yarn is fed horizontally to the needles for knitting, the product is called a weft knit. As soon as the needles finish with the first yarn, a second yarn is fed for knitting and a second row of loops is produced, again horizontally. This sequence is repeated for yarns 3, 4, and 5. If the structure is analyzed, a pattern of loops arranged in rows and columns is seen. The horizontal row of loops produced by adjacent needles during the same knitting cycle is known as a course. The course count is the number of courses per linear unit of length, expressed as inches or centimeters. If this drawing represents a 1-inch vertical distance, then there are 5 courses per inch. Each vertical column of loops produced by the same needle knitting at successive knitting cycles is referred to as a wale. The wale count is measured by the number of wales per unit of width. If this drawing represents a width of 1 inch, then there are 5 wales per inch. This construction is called single jersey, since all needles knit all the time. Other stitches can be formed on the needles as desired to go with the basic jersey stitch.